A good script has the power to grab a potential buyer's interest and be informative at the same time, while also being clear and concise. If you are a small business, startup company, or freelancer, learn how to write your own scripts for animations, commercials, and explainer videos. Explainer videos are proven to engage audiences and increase retention. These videos are great for business commercials, startup advertisements, presentations, and even lessons for students created by teachers. But at the heart of a good explainer video is a good script. My course, Script Writing for Explainer Videos, features tips on how to keep your writing simple and clear. Discover the 4-step writing formula and learn how to get key information to help successfully write a script. My name is Mary, and I have 7 years of experience working as a freelance video producer and designer. I hope my experience, knowledge, and advice can help you to create scripts that inform and captivate your audience's attention.